I'm gonna light it up, lob it into that there fire pit, and then take cover behind that wooden wall over there, and I'll be safe. Safe. Well, it sure is all the gourds. This particular kind of firework has 3 stages, and each is separated by a membrane inside the cylinder. The first one is to propel the firework up into the air, the second one is the main explosion, and the last chamber is dedicated to the sparkles and flash that you get out of a firework. In order to make it into an effective grenade, what I needed to do is I needed to collapse those chambers and make one big chamber, causing one explosion. Be aware that modifying fireworks in this fashion can be extremely dangerous, so, what the heck, try it yourself if you want to, but be careful because I'm not responsible for anything that may go awry. Further, I wanted to keep the explosion contained so that it would build up pressure. The way I did that was by putting the firework inside a gourd, of all things, because the gourd walls would contain the explosion for just long enough to allow it to build up the energy, then bang! Thanks for watching.